Hi, my name is Nestor Sanchez. I'm live from Santa Marta City. I work Claro. And, and today I will tell about some place, Santa Marta City. Santa Marta is very beautiful site to go on vacation. It's an excellent tourist destination. And today I will tell about some place, Santa Marta City. Tourist sites. Taganga is very good tourist destination. It is an excellent place to work and take back in the sea. White Beach, Playa Blanca is a very beautiful place and cute. Visit with tourists. It has modern restaurant with affordable foods. Historic Center. The Historic Center is a very colorful and pleasant place to see. Excellent for talking folks while walking. And walking more. Cathedral of Santa Marta, fase, Quinta de San Pedro Alejandrino. Recommendations to take into account. To talk to strangers. Always take your documents with you. Always has money. Do not tomorrow garbage. Do not light fires. It's cold, that's very dangerous. Goodbye. Esta ha sido mi presentación como Néstor Sánchez para inglés. Lo presento nuevamente para que no queden dudas de mi identidad. Ya que perdí mi carnet hace mucho tiempo y no lo he podido recuperar. Les pido disculpas por eso. Igual traté de hacer mi mejor esfuerzo. Espero que les haya gustado.